Kids, have you ever wondered what is photosynthesis? Have you ever wondered how plants eat? Is it they eat like human? Or it's like animal? To answer this question, we need to learn about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, is it look like a big word? Don't worry, I'll tell you what it means. Photo is a Greek word for light, while synthesis is a Greek word for putting together. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process which plant makes their own food to be able to grow and develop. How photosynthesis occurs? First of all, plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide, air, water, and lastly, the most important is chloroplast. Every plant has chloroplast. And did you know that why plants are green? It's all because of chlorophyll that in the chloroplast. Wait, what is in the chloroplast? In chloroplast, we have thylakoid, stroma, and lastly, granum. Chloroplasts are a type of plastic around oval or disc-shaped body that involved in the synthesis and storage of foodstuff. Chloroplasts are distinguished from other types of plastic by their green color, which result from the presence of two pigments, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Internal membrane extensively folded and characterized by the presence of closed discs is known as thylakoid membrane. The thylakoid membranes envelop a central aqueous region known as thylakoid lumen. The space between the inner membrane and the thylakoid membrane is filled with stroma, a matrix containing dissolved enzymes, starch granules, and copies of the chloroplast genome. In most highest plants, the thylakoids are arranged in tight stacks called grana, singular granum. Grana are connected by stromal laminae, extensions that run from one granum through the stroma into neighboring granum. How photosynthesis occurs? Photosynthesis conducted by green plants in which energy from sunlight is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into organic molecules, which is sugar that needed for growth. Through roots, plants absorb water and minerals in the soil. Water and minerals are transported up the stem, reaching the leaf. The leaf is full with tiny pores called stomata, which absorb carbon dioxide that the air in the surrounding contains. All these contain water, minerals, and carbon dioxide. Now its chlorophyll turn. Light energy is absorbed by the green pigment chlorophyll found in the chloroplast. Light energy allows production of glucose by the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is also produced as waste product. When plants go through process of photosynthesis, they produce glucose and oxygen. So from that, living things such as human and animal can breathe oxygen that produced by plants. Actually, kids, photosynthesis have two stages, which are light reaction and Calvin cycle. For light reaction is the first stage in photosynthesis where water is broken in the chlorophyll molecule into H+ ion and OH negative ion in the presence of light, resulting in the formation of accumulatory powers such as NADPH2 and ATP. Light is absorbed by chlorophyll. Energy from the light split H2O. H from water reduce NADP to NADPH. Light reaction occur at grana of chloroplast. After that, chemiosmosis make ATP from ADP, photophosphorylation. So end of the light reaction, it produces ATP and NADPH. This is transferred to the Calvin cycle, which is dark reaction. Calvin cycle is the second step in the mechanism of photosynthesis. The chemical process of photosynthesis occurring independent of light is called dark reaction. It takes place in stroma of the chloroplast, inner space of chloroplast. The Calvin cycle reaction can be divided into three main stages: carbon fixation, reduction, and regeneration of the starting molecule. As you can see, this is Calvin cycle. It starts with stage 1 carbon fixation, and then stage 2 reduction of 3-PGA, and lastly stage 3 regeneration of RUBP. First stage is carbon fixation. Carbon dioxide molecule combined with 5 carbon acceptor molecule RUBP. This step makes a 6-carbon compound split into 2 molecules of 3-carbon compound, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, 3-PGA. This reaction catalyzed by enzyme RUBP or Rubisco. Stage 2. ATP and NADPH are used to convert the 3-PGA molecule of a 3-GP. This stage gets its name because NADPH donates electron to reduce a 3-carbon intermediate to make G3P. Last stage. Some 3-GP molecules go to make glucose, while others must be recycled to regenerate the RUBP acceptor. Regeneration requires ATP and involves a complex network of reactions.